Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cappuccino using special mix of 100% of Arabica. I'm using this from Woodland. What the? This is espresso base 70% Brazil mixed with 30% Flores, and this blend give beautiful native flowers like hazelnut, orange, and sweet caramel. And I'm also using fresh milk. So let's start it. For the step 1, preparing the beans. First, make sure you have freshly roasted Arabica beans. Here I'm using mix 70% Brazil and 30% Flores Arabica, and the green size of the beans I use to fine and espresso grind. You will need about 18 gram of coffee for a double shot. Always make sure to keep it consistent every time. And the step 2, making the espresso. Add your freshly ground coffee into the portafilter. Tamp it down evenly and fairly, about 15 kilo of pressure. Lock it into your espresso machine and extract for roughly 25 until 30 seconds. You should get a rich golden shot of espresso with those hazelnut, orange, and caramel notes. And the step 3 is pour the first mix into your milk jug. Well, steam it to around 60 until 65 Celsius. Make sure it has a smooth, creamy microfoam, and the position to steam one just under the surface for a few seconds to introduce air, then lower it slightly to create a whirlpool and make the milk silky, and the result is creamy texture that blends beautiful with the espresso. And the step 4, making the latte art, maybe around 1 until 2 minutes. Pour the steamed milk into your espresso, starting from a bit higher up to mix the cream and coffee, and then closer to the surface as you fill the cup. Finish with a simple latte art design like a heart, rosetta, or tulip, and this highlight the nutty caramel flavor and orange flavor. So, and that's it guys, and your delicious cappuccino using special beans, full Arabica blend from 70% Brazil and 30% Flores with hazelnut, orange, and caramel notes. So guys, now I will make a tutorial how to make a good cappuccino. For the first time, grab your beans, especially I'm using Arabica beans, blend between 70% Brazil and 30% of Flores. First time, grab your beans, around 18 gram. Now I'm use around 18 grams of beans from Arabica. Grind your beans using your grinder. I'm here using fine size, and then you put your fresh grind of coffee of beans using in portafilter. Emptying your portafilter of beans, the looks like this. And then put your portafilter into espresso machine, but before that you need to flush your machine. Okay, and grab a cup of coffee, and you need to grab your milk. This right now I'm using first milk from Milk Life, and don't forget to get your milk jug too. And pour the milk into the milk jug, maybe around 180 milli. And then after that, you need to steam your milk into the steam one. And but before that, you first need to flush your steam one to make sure it clean, and then you steam maybe around 16 until 65 derajat Celsius. And then your cup of cappuccino are ready to dissolve. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.